Open the package, and take out the device and accessories. MiniSmart device, jig protective cover, spare probe, and USB charging cable. Remove the jig protective cover, and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power on the device. After startup, access the Wi-Fi settings in the settings menu. Once the Wi-Fi connection is confirmed, return to the main interface. Click Auto Reset and choose Start. Align the probe with the chip's 2 metal contacts, gently press down the jig, and press OK to start rework. If the device displays OK, the rework was successful. To switch to a different product, there's no need to adjust software settings. Follow these steps, simultaneously press the fastening buckles on both sides of the jig to pop it out, as shown in the video. Ensure the groove on the new jig is facing upward. Gently insert the new jig into the MiniSmart. And when you hear a click, it's ready for the next auto reset operation.